What brought me to BTC was the prestige that I heard about the school and specifically the diesel program. I researched about the diesel industry, and Washington was in the top 3, I believe, for the outlook for diesel.
I actually attended this program myself right after high school. And my first internship I got was at Freightliner, and I stayed there for all 11 years that I was in the industry.
I had a couple of friends that actually went through this program, and then they're in the industry doing great. So I got feedback from them, and then they said that instructors are really good, and then all the administrators are helpful, and there's a lot of job opportunities and a lot of potential to grow.
When students come to this program, a lot of them are a little green to the industry, and some of them have already worked at truck shops or spent time in the military. But no matter how you come in, we try to prepare you.
The type of stuff I'm learning here is going over engines, electronics, basically the ins and out of everything a diesel truck has to offer. It's always a blast.
They've already spent 6 months or more working. Usually my students, once they get their first internship, they remain full-time throughout the rest of the program. I get calls every week looking for graduates.
Bellingham Technical College has been a great place for me.
When my students graduate here, there's almost no reason that they shouldn't succeed in the industry.
After going here, I definitely feel that I will be prepared for the industry.